Okay, good morning guys, it's Amy. I'm so excited. Today is the start of Sale-a-bration from Stampin' Up, and I have some fun tools that I want to share with you. Okay, so first of all, I wanted to make this card with you, and the way I did this is I earned the Jungle Pals, which is this stamp set here. With a $50 purchase in product, you get a free product. I love this little crocodile, and I wanted to make sure that I could do the reverse image of him. So what I did is I took my Memento black ink and then I inked up my stamp. So here's the crocodile. Then I stamp them down on my glass mat, like so. I'm going to flip it down, like that. Okay, let's flip it back over, and there we go. We got the image reversed. I just use a tiny little bit of hand sanitizer and just clean that off with the tissue. And it comes off just like that. So I'm gonna start with my lightest alcohol blends marker, and this is the color Parakeet Party. So we're just gonna shade him in. Then I'm gonna come back in with my darker Parakeet Party, and I'm gonna use the brush tip. So I'm gonna go down here towards the bottom underneath his chin and scribble in a little bit darker. Then I'm gonna use my color lifter, and I'm gonna smooth those colors out a little bit. So while that's drying, I'm going to show you guys where this is found in our Sale-a-bration brochure. So on pages 12 and 13 is the Jungle Pals stamp set, and you can earn this free with a $50 minimum purchase. This is another way you can take advantage of Stampin' Up product during Sale-a-bration time. If you join Sale-a-bration as a demonstrator or a hobbyist who's a discount shopper, you can get this glass mat as part of your starter kit, which is amazing. It comes with this little work mat here where you place your inks and your stamps. I love the glass mat so far. It's really a nice surface to work on. It keeps things very crisp when you stamp, which I love. Light mossy meadow. We're just going to put that in here. One-eighth inch border all the way around. Okay, so that's gonna go here. Okay, so our crocodile's finished. So then I held it up to the light, and now I'm going to use my die cutting machine and cut it out. I'm going to use some dimensionals and stick this one down. And then here's our sentiment banner. Okay, so our next step is we are going to go ahead and stamp the sentiment banners. So this one says, "Be My Valentine." That one's going to go on the inside. I'm going to put some tape runner down on the back of the banner. And I'm going to run a little layer of this super cute ribbon. And then with the gold, and do the same. So there's our card. Okay. And then we're going to put our banner, our inside on our card. There we go. There's our card. Hey, take care. Bye, everyone. Have a great day.